So guys, today we are doing a POV drive as the Polo has now got the resdelete. Yeah, we're just going to get into it. I was just checking all my levels and that, everything seems to be fine. So we are going to jump in the car and go for a drive. Yeah, this is what the resonator delete sounds like on a cold start. Well, it's not really that cold, but you know what I mean. Definitely sounds a lot better than stock. We've also got the sticker on the back now, so if you see me out, be sure to tag me how much of a twat I look like with the GoPro on. But yeah, resdelete definitely sounds so much better. The old pipe's over there, but yeah, let's just get into the drive. I'm just gonna go for a little drive. I know a lot of you lot have been waiting for this video, so yeah, let's get into it.
Yo, she said it's hard for her to trust. I said it's hard for me to love. I even gave her all I had, but I guess it wasn't enough.
We are going to get on with the video. Yeah, so the resdelete is a lot louder than normal, obviously. But yeah, honestly, you guys are going to love this video. The resonator delete makes such a difference, a huge difference in my opinion, and I think everyone should go and get it, despite people saying it doesn't do much. Trust me boys, it does quite a lot, I can't lie. But you can already hear it. You can already hear it, so 100% recommend it. I don't know why people say it sounds shit. I don't think it sounds shit in my opinion. So yeah, we're just gonna go on the little drive down some of the local roads near me. I don't know, you guys have probably seen them all before in the older videos, but yeah, just gonna go for a little drive so you guys can hear what the exhaust is sounding like, and it's sounding a lot better, I can't lie to you, because every car needs this. Every Polo GTI needs this mod, 100%. But yeah man, honestly, I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos recently. As you can tell, I've been smashing out the videos. But my new schedule, because I didn't really have a schedule before for the videos, my new schedule now is every Tuesday at 7 PM I'm going to be uploading an actual YouTube video. So like a long video, like 10 minutes or something like that. And then that's going to be every Tuesday and Friday at 7 PM, and then in just every other day or something I'm going to upload a YouTube short, which I'm sure you guys are familiar with, as a lot of people do them now. Yeah, I will be uploading a YouTube short just whenever. As you can already hear, the exhaust is so much better. It doesn't drone, but it's there. Do you get what I mean? Like, it's not drony, but you can still kind of get that oomph from it, if you get what I mean. So 110% recommend you guys getting the resdelete. But yeah, that's my YouTube schedule at the moment. So I hope you guys can stick by me and you can watch the videos Tuesday and Friday at 7 PM, and then in the week probably about 7 PM as well, you will see the videos of my YouTube shorts come up. So yeah, just debating where to go for a second there, but yeah, let's chuck it in the sport. You can see what this bad boy is sounding like. But yeah man, this thing sounds so much better. So, I'm just going to do a little pause here, look, you can already hear it a bit more. It sounded so much better. I do love this car. But yeah, do a little one here. So much louder already, and it's like the car isn't really warmed up yet, and as soon as the car warms up, like when the oil temps get up and all that stuff, it sounds so beastly. Like after you've done a long drive and everything's warmed up, it just sounds so much better, like than normal. I don't know why they didn't do a resdelete, but I have it like this anyway. As you can tell, this resonator is sick, boys. Listen to that! You ain't getting DSG farts like that stock, no way. Because obviously this car has fake noise coming in through the speakers, which is a bit of a dead thing, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, now you can't even hear the fake noise because the exhaust is so much louder. Oh my days, it's so much better. Honestly, I definitely recommend you guys getting this done. It sounds so good. I know where I'm going, I can't lie to you guys, but we're gonna head don't think this sounds good, then you're just daft, innit? You know what I mean? But honestly, this exhaust is a bad boy exhaust. Like, you ready to slow down a bit here? Sounds so much better. Woo! Yeah, slow down. Whoa, coming in with a bang! Right, the farts are mad, fam. There's some little DMO things there, you know. Whoa! Don't piss me off. You know what? Active. DMO. What do you know about changing that DMO, boy? Yeah. Come on, big up DMO, fam. And you know what? Big up Cam as well. The other day I was at a Flash Cars meet. Shout out to Flash Cars as well. But we was at a meet with them, and Cam came up to me. It's just mad, you know. It was like, I watch all the DMO videos and that. So like, for like them, for him just come up to me like, you're the guy that does the Polo YouTube, and it's mad, you know. I wouldn't think someone would recognise me ever, because I don't even do this for views, but. Woo. Honestly, boys. This is a bad boy, you know, fam. This thing's problems. Listen to that! Oh my god. You're not getting better than that, I can't lie. It sounds so good. Especially like in these little towns, this is when it will sound. This is when it will sound mental, you know what I'm saying? Woo! That's what I mean, boy. This car is a bad boy car, you know. Despite people dissing the Polos, well, not dissing it, but they're dissing the resdelete, you can just tell it sounds so much better. You can just hear it. It just sounds so. And then like the minute I just turn it off, we do a little fart here. It sounds so sick, boys. And then I can literally just chuck it in out of sport mode and just put it back into drive, and look, can't even hear it now. But yeah, thank you to everyone for watching this video. I just wanted to do a little POV drive with me with the resdelete. Thank you so much for all the support recently. I love you all. I love you all. I swear, I actually love you all. Thank you so much for supporting me. It means so much. As I said, big shout out to Cam Panzer and that, obviously for supporting my videos. But yeah, honestly, big shout out to them for supporting. What the hell is going on there? But yeah, big shout out to them lot for supporting me. It's just sick to see Cam recognising me. Shout out to Cam, he's a sick guy. We actually went out that day. I posted the clip in now. But yeah, we actually went out that day with some other boys, Luke, Max. Yeah, a lot of us. Yeah, but it was a sick time. But yeah, honestly, sick to see Cam and that. But yeah, guys, honestly, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I've got loads more content coming. We've got IBAC Springs going on next week. Next Friday, we have the IBAC Springs, and I'm so gassed for it. I can't wait for the IBAC Springs to go on. It's gonna change the stance of this car so much, and then I'll probably get spacers on after that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like and subscribe.